Hey everyone! From June 21st to June 25th, we've got more exciting celebrations to cover. First up, it's International Day of Yoga. Celebrate mindfulness and wellness by gifting yoga mats or meditation guides. Next, World Giraffe Day raises awareness about giraffe conservation. Share giraffe-themed gifts or donate to wildlife protection organizations. And lastly, World Music Day celebrates the joy of music. Gift musical instruments or curated playlists to inspire creativity. World Rainforest Day highlights the importance of preserving rainforests. Share eco-friendly gifts or support reforestation initiatives. Next, National Chocolate Eclair Day is perfect for indulging in this delicious pastry. Gift baking kits or gourmet eclairs. And finally, National HVAC Tech Day honors heating and cooling technicians. Share appreciation gifts or practical tools for professionals. International Widows Day raises awareness about the struggles faced by widows worldwide. You can support the cause with donations or, share books on empowerment. Next, UN Public Service Day recognizes the contributions of public service workers. Maybe gift appreciation items or donate to community initiatives. And lastly, National Pink Day celebrates all things pink. So go ahead and share stylish pink accessories or fun pink-themed gifts. Before our last 2 days, hey, are you enjoying the video? Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more videos like this. And share this video with your friends and let them know about it. International Fairy Day is perfect for embracing magical stories. Why not gift fairy-themed books or whimsical decorations? Next up, World UFO Day sparks curiosity about extraterrestrial life. You could share sci-fi books or some fun alien-themed merchandise. And finally, National Pralines Day is a sweet celebration of this nutty confection. Gift gourmet pralines or maybe praline-making kits for a tasty treat. Day of the Seafarer honors maritime workers worldwide. Consider sharing nautical-themed gifts or donating to seafarer support organizations. Next, Global Beatles Day celebrates the legendary band's impact on music. Gift Beatles memorabilia or classic vinyl records, such a cool idea. And lastly, World Vitiligo Day raises awareness about vitiligo. Support the cause with educational books or donate to skin health initiatives. And there you have it, celebrations from June 21st to June 25th, each with a thoughtful gift idea. Be sure to check the links in the description to purchase any of the featured gifts. Don't forget to watch our daily videos for more detailed descriptions of these amazing events. See you tomorrow.